Hi, I'm Amber, and welcome back to another haul video. In today's haul, we're going to be looking at stuff from Forever 21. I'm dressed in all pink today because there are a few items from the Barbie collection in this haul, and so I wanted to go with kind of a Barbie look. In fact, I'm wearing the Barbie necklace from the Barbie collection that I got earlier this year, but it's just a cute little gold Barbie necklace. Forever 21 is probably my go-to store. When there's something that I need or want, I usually check Forever 21 first. Now this is going to be another video that I film on 2 different days because we've got one set of a haul that came in today, and we've got another set that's coming in probably sometime next week. There should be some really fun items in this haul. I picked a few things that I'm really looking forward to seeing, so hopefully you enjoy them as well. But yeah, let's get right into this. First up, we have some Flamingo socks. So they're just cute little socks with flamingos on them. They reminded me of Alice in Wonderland, so that was my main inspiration for buying them. And I just love patterned socks anyway. Next up, we have a pair of shorts. So this is what the shorts look like. One of my favorite movies is Dirty Dancing, and there's a look where Baby is wearing a pink bodysuit and some light denim shorts, and so I got these because they kind of resembled the ones in the movie. They're not an exact match, but they were the closest I could find on Forever 21's site. Now I haven't bought numerical size pants from Forever 21 before, or shorts. I've gotten shorts that are extra small or small, something like that, but not in the actual sizes. So I went with a size 26 because according to their size chart that looked like the ones that would fit my hips the best. So hopefully these will fit fine, but we will find out soon. So yeah, these are these shorts, and we'll try them on in a second once I get that bodysuit out. Alright, so I think this is the bodysuit in question. I don't remember what the color was technically. This definitely looks a little bit more orangey than I was going for. I thought it was more pink on the website, but that could just be my computer monitor. I got it in a size small/medium. That was the smallest size they had. So we'll see if it fits. I'm not liking these buttons. There we are. So here's the shorts and the bodysuit. Brian also told me I should try on my flamingo socks with this, so these are the flamingo socks, which are adorable. And the shorts are alright. I think I should have sized down in them. So I was a little hesitant to buy size 26, but I was going off their size chart, and I wanted to make sure it was going to be wide enough for my hips because my hips are a little bit wide, but there's plenty of room for my hips in here, and it doesn't sit snugly at my waist. So there's a little extra waist space, which makes sense because I think the 26 is supposed to refer to the waist dimension. So I should have gotten probably a 25, maybe even a 24. So I'll have to remember that in the future. I mean, they're not a terrible fit. I don't think you can tell. They have this little belt that you can use to kind of cinch them in. Now I do have a belt, I think, coming in my next order. I don't think it's in this one. That's supposed to kind of go with the Baby from Dirty Dancing look. So I just use the rope belt now because that's what it came with, and so you probably want to see that, and also that was what I had. But I do have a brown belt coming that's supposed to be part of this look. They have some decent pockets on them, which is good. I mean, I don't think my phone could fit in here. They're maybe a little bit small for that, but they are still decently sized pockets. The bodysuit feels really comfortable. This fabric here is very nice. I like it a lot. I think this could be a cute look. I don't think it's quite the look I was going for. I don't think it's too bad. So the bodysuit was $13. It does say on the slip that it was coral colored, so it did look more pinky online, but it definitely was not deceptively named. So there's that. And then the shorts were $20. Are these garments worth the price? I would say reasonably so. The shorts are maybe a little bit pricey for my liking. Alright, so our next item is a fun one. So this is a newsprint bodysuit. I ordered this in a size small, which was the smallest size they had. You may wonder, why would I get a newsprint bodysuit? To match my newsprint umbrella, of course. This is a little bit old, but I have a Bangor Daily News umbrella. We actually have 2 of them that we picked up from yard sales. So when I saw there was a newsprint bodysuit, I had to get it. So this just seemed like a really fun purchase. And I guess the upside to this is if you are ever bored, like you're just out somewhere, you're wearing this and you're bored, you can just look down and read what it says. This newsprint bodysuit was $15. And let's go see what it looks like on me. So here's what the newsprint bodysuit looks like on me. This one is a little bit less well-fitting than the last one I tried on. So the last one was really comfortable. This one is a little bit of an awkward fit. It's not bad. The fabric is comfortable, but it feels kind of, I think, almost short in the torso. I'm not a very tall person. I'm only 5'2", but I can kind of feel it pulling at my shoulders and then down here. So I wouldn't say it's a bad fit. It may have a shorter torso than some of these bodysuits. I think it's a really fun design. I am looking forward to trying to find things to pair this with. Is this worth the price? I mean, I think if you want a fun novelty item, yes. If you want kind of an everyday wear bodysuit, maybe not. Alright, next up we have some adorable sea critter socks. As soon as I saw these, I knew I had to get them. So they've got cute little crabs and smiling squids and dolphins, and they are just the most adorable socks. So I'll come closer so you can see the print. And they were only $2. Alright, this is another pair of shorts. And these ones are also $20. I got these in an extra small, which was the smallest size they had. I kind of have a problem in that I do all kinds of Alice in Wonderland Disney bounds, and I'm always looking for new Disney bound ideas, so these are a little bit different than the color I thought they were online, but when I saw the pale blue shorts, I thought they might work for some kind of Alice in Wonderland Disney bound. I haven't given up hope on this. I don't think it's that different of a blue color than what I had envisioned. But yeah, so my purpose in buying these was for an Alice in Wonderland Disney bound. So let's try these on. So this is what the shorts look like on me. They do have pockets. They're not huge pockets, but they're, if you have a smaller phone or some keys or something, you probably could fit something in them. So the pockets is a plus. The belt is a little awkward. It's kind of this cloth over like this almost foam material, and it kind of crinkles a little bit awkwardly, so I'm not 100% loving the belt. I mean, I think it looks good with the shorts, but I think the material is a little off. It just feels kind of like, almost like stiff cardboard. The fit is fine. I think they feel comfortable. They feel relatively light, so they'd be nice, probably breezy shorts for summer. They don't feel like the greatest material. They're, I mean, reasonably soft, but they don't feel expensive, which is Forever 21, so I wouldn't expect them to feel expensive. But the material isn't my favorite. I think the cut is nice. I do appreciate the darts right here. I think that's flattering. I can't actually see what they look like on me because I'm not looking at this. I'm showing you before I even see this. They have back pockets, but these back pockets are a lie. So I will minus a point, not that I even have points, the points are made up and they don't matter, but minus a point for having fake pockets, because fake pockets are worse than no pockets. And are they worth the price? Well, $20 is kind of like on the borderline. Like, I wouldn't say these are my favorite shorts and you should definitely rush out and buy them, but they're not bad either. So if you're looking for shorts like these, I think they're reasonable. I don't think they're bad, but I also wouldn't necessarily rush out to buy them. I just paired with the newsprint bodysuit for now because I was already wearing it, but I have a white bodysuit coming in the second part of this haul. I was thinking about wearing these with a white bodysuit and some Alice accessories for an Alice in Wonderland vibe. Next up, we have more socks, and these are adorable. They were also $2. Almost all the socks I got were $2. Most of their socks I think are just $2, which isn't too bad for patterned socks. And look, it's a happy little burger and happy fries. Aren't they just the most adorable print? So, so cute. I would absolutely recommend. Although that guy on Reddit would hate them. So now we're at the part of the video that you all have been waiting for, the Barbie stuff. I think anyway, I think this is part of it. Yeah, this looks like it. So first up we have a bodysuit. It is in size small, which was, I believe, the smallest size they had. Now this faux leather bodysuit was $23. It does not smell good. It smells kind of gross. Hopefully that smell will come out after the wash and some Febreze, but it smells really gross. But we'll try it on even though it smells gross.
It smells like old fish.
Yeah, it has a really, really gross smell to it. I do not enjoy that I have to put it on right now. Alright, so I have this on now, and honestly I'm a bit disappointed. It's supposed to be very form-fitting, but as you can see, there's a lot of extra fabric. This is clearly meant for someone with boobs, and I do not have them. Now it is a small, but that was the smallest size I had, and I had seen people saying that it was a tight fit and stuff like that. So I thought by getting a small I'd be okay, but I don't know that this works very well for me. It was a little bit tough getting on over my hips, and the bottom is very snug, but the top part, I mean, I look down and I can see my bra hanging out. Like, there's definitely way more material than I need to be. I was honestly afraid I wasn't going to be get this on. Like, I was sure it was going to be too small rather than too big until I pulled it out of the packaging. That was the first time I had an inkling that it might not be too small. But it is, yeah. I don't know that I am going to necessarily keep this one because it doesn't fit. And I don't think there's an easy way to make it fit. Like, I mean, I might be able to sew in the sides, but this material is kind of funky and it smells absolutely terrible. Was it worth $23? Not if you're flat-chested. If you are a bit bigger, you might be able to, but I've read some reviews from people who said it was too small for them and they couldn't get into it easily and stuff like that. So there's someone with some body type this must work for. I am not that person, sadly. If you love Barbie and you are the magical size that this works for, it's probably a good buy. But if you are small or big, then it's probably not a great buy. Alright, so next up we have some Barbie socks. These were $4, and they're just crew socks with Barbie on them. So if you're looking for relatively inexpensive pieces from the Barbie collection, the socks might be a good bet for you. The necklace also was, I think, $8, and it's really cute. So if you're just looking for Barbie things to get from the collection, I'd highly recommend the necklace. And I think the socks are fine too. We have a match set. This is the top, and it was $15. Now I got this in a size small, which again was the smallest size that they had. And this one looks like it's going to be a little bit more fitted, so I'm feeling optimistic about it. And then we also have a matching skirt, which was also $15. So this is your mystery item, Brian.
Well, they're all mystery items to me.
They are, but this was the one I picked out with you in mind. So this is what the skirt looks like. Alright, let's try these on and see how they look. What I love about this set is it reminds me of like the Barbie packaging. So I feel like if I put this on, I'm going to look like a Barbie box. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we will see. Alright, so this is what the top and skirt set looks like. It's, I think, squarely okay. The fabric feels okay. I mean, it's a mesh fabric. The bottom is very tight. You know, you can see kind of all these lines. You can see my underwear line. It's very figure hugging. It's a bit longer than I would like, but that would be an easy fix. The top is not quite as fitted as I was hoping for. It's better fit than the bodysuit, but I still feel like there's extra space here for boobs that I don't have. And with as stretchy a material as it is, I feel like they could have sized it down a bit. So this is what it looks like from the back. You can very clearly see my underwear line here, so you'd want to wear some seamless underwear with this probably. So is it worth it? I mean, $15 for a skirt or $15 for a top really isn't bad, and since it's licensed merchandise, I'd say that is, you know, a really reasonable price. So if you love Barbie, it may be worth it. But if you're small, again, if you don't have boobs, you may run into some issues. The bottom, you know, fits me reasonably, but I'm also much bigger on the bottom than I am on the top. Alright, so for the rest of the haul we have some jewelry. So first up we have this constellation necklace. So the star charm necklace was $8. I was not expecting these to be clasped together like this. I may need to ask Brian for help.
The only help I can offer is to zoom in on it so that people can watch you struggle.
Well, I can't open these things. Brian, can you help me?
Watch Amber in her natural habitat struggling.
I am not even struggling. I've already just given up. So this is what the necklace looks like. So there's kind of like the main necklace chains, and then there's these little dangly bits. And I just thought it was a really cute design, a very interesting one. So kind of witchy, and we all know that I love spooky Halloween things, so that was my inspiration for this. Alright, next up we have the lobster earrings. Okay, now these lobster earrings were $7, and I felt they had two different kinds of lobster earrings, and I kind of felt like I had to get some lobster earrings because what could be more Maine than lobster earrings? In case you didn't know, I live in Maine. Well, those are cute. So these are what our earrings look like. I'm going to bring them close. They feel very heavy though. So I am a little concerned about the heaviness. They definitely have some weight to them. So I'll go ahead and try these on for you. So here are what the earrings look like on me. They are very heavy. Like I would not be able to wear these for long periods of time. My earlobes are a little stretched out, and they definitely feel heavy enough that they could hurt my earlobes over time. So I bet they're probably cute. I can't see them on me, but they looked cute when I was holding them. If there's ever like a stereotypical Mainer contest, then I'll wear those with a plaid shirt.
Yeah.
So we're getting down there. I think this might be the last item. Yep. So last up we have these Flamingo earrings. These were $8. They remind me of Alice in Wonderland, which is why I got them. They're a little more orangey than I was expecting. They don't look quite as pink as I thought they would. So these are what the earrings look like. So there's two little flamingos with little bead chains for legs. So this is what these look like on me. They're relatively light. They're not at all uncomfortable. They're just cute earrings. I mean, I think they'd be great for, again, an Alice in Wonderland look, or maybe just a general summer look. They're just kind of fun. And the jewelry, for the price, I think was worth it. In general, I think the jewelry is reasonably priced, so I would recommend. And I tend to have really good luck with their jewelry. Alright, so that's it for the first part of the video. I will be back soon with the rest of the haul. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd love it if you gave it a like or let me know in the comments. I am hoping to do a few more haul videos here and there, so if you do have anything in particular you'd like to see, let me know. I am mostly buying things that I would like, so I can't promise I will buy anything weird or wild because I want to buy things that I will use. But if you have suggestions, there may be stores I'm not thinking of that I would really like, so I'd be happy to hear them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
I was just kidding, of course.
There's a bird out there that keeps talking.
We'll just name it Archie.
We'll name it Archie. This is our own Archie.
The bird stays.